I'm Emma Blomfield, Interior Designer and Director of Emma Blomfield Studio. Our studio is located in Georges Heights in Mosman, and it's the most beautiful bush setting. We are so lucky to work in such an incredibly beautiful space. We can just wander down and have a lunch break overlooking the harbour, or we can sit out and have a look at the beautiful bush setting. We love leasing from the Harbour Trust because we know that everything is safe. We can come in any time of day or night that we need to access the office. There's great facilities that we can use on site. We've got meeting rooms available, we've got a kitchenette, we've got bathrooms with showers, we've got everything that we could possibly need in this location. Other businesses would love being able to work from this beautiful space. There's so many incredible businesses that work in the area. There's a beautiful sense of community as well as such a beautiful, peaceful location to be working from.